Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for an LLC in Pennsylvania. First, you'll need to choose a unique name for your business and appoint a registered agent who has a physical address in the state. Next, you'll file your certificate of organization with the Department of State. Finally, you'll obtain an employer identification number from the IRS, which is essential for tax purposes and opening a business bank account. When naming your LLC, remember to include LLC or Limited Liability Company in the name. It's crucial to check the availability of your chosen name with the Pennsylvania Department of State to ensure it's unique. Your registered agent must maintain a physical street address in Pennsylvania, not a P.O. box, as they are responsible for receiving important legal and tax documents on behalf of your company. To officially form your LLC, you'll complete and submit Form DSCB 15-8821, which is the Certificate of Organization. This form is sent to the Pennsylvania Department of State. Be sure to include all necessary information, such as your registered agent's name and address. The current filing fee for this document is $125, which must accompany your submission. After your LLC is approved, you'll need to apply for an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the IRS. This 9-digit number is vital for tax purposes, especially if you plan to hire employees or open a business bank account. Additionally, it's highly recommended to draft an operating agreement. This internal document outlines ownership and operational procedures, though it is not filed with the state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.